Alright YouTube, this is going to be a quick video on how to terminate a 13 amp plug top. Your average British plug top. Now, let's say you've got yourself a problem. Your extension lead has either got a broken plug or some idiot has cut the plug off. So, you need to put another one on. For that, here's one I made earlier. First things first, take your screwdriver, size it to the terminals, undo the middle screw. Then, the two screws here hold the flex clamp down, so take one of them out completely. Pop it in the safekeeping, loosen the other until you can move it round, then just tighten it back up again a little bit so it stays there out of the way. Now loosen all three terminal screws. Don't take them out completely, just loosen them and leave them in there. Now that's ready for the cable, but obviously we have to strip the cable first. Stanley knife, measure about 1.5 times length of the plug and score the cable all the way around. Once that's done, just simply bend, snap, and that just comes straight off. Move them off a bit, double check you've not damaged any of the internal insulation. If you have, cut it off again, start again. That's that done. The alternate way, if you don't want to use a Stanley knife, you don't feel comfortable with a Stanley knife for some bizarre reason, you can also do it with your snips. Nick the sheath all the way around and off it comes. Again, check you've not damaged it. Very easy. Third way, cheating, spin that round and off it comes. But I see, I fucked it right up. Anyway, back to the plug. The first step then is going to be to measure and strip the brown cable, which is the live. And that's going to be connected to this one, bottom right, brown, dead easy to remember. Also the live's connected to the fuse, obviously. Make a little mark where you want it. You want to be cutting about twice the length of the terminal off, because we're going to twist this together and then we're going to double it over. So we fill the terminal and get a really good solid connection in there. And see, that's got a little whatchamacallit in, so you can take that out completely. Fuse off. Just pop the bugger in. Tighten her up. Snip it up for now. Pop it back in. And tighten up. Pop the fuse back in. I'll keep it where it is for now. Then the next step will be to put the flex clamp back in place. Loosen that again over the top, screw from before, in, and tighten her up. Try and get nice even pressure on either side. Just check the threads, make sure it's nice and clamped. Make sure you can see a bit of insulation above, not too much. A bit of the sheath, so it's actually around the sheath on both sides. Next, you're going to be wanting to put the blue cable, which is neutral. Again, 1.5 times. One side. Rip. Twist. And double. Put that up a little bit. Cable in. Push it down. And tighten her up. So that's tight. Now you're just left with the earth. Now for that, what we're going to do is create a loop like that. Measure it off. Might just cut it to perfect length. Somehow. Strip that. Twist. Double over. You've got some extra length on it, so it's nice and easy. Pop her in the terminal. Back down. And tighten her up. And there we go. We'll leave a loop on the earth just in case this ever does get pulled out. If this gets pulled, the cable gets pulled out, you always want to make sure the earth is the last cable that comes out. Because if the earth comes out while the live and neutral are still connected, anything plugged in here will work, but will not be protected. So if it does develop a fault, there is a chance of metal components becoming live and the fuse not blowing, and you don't want that. While we're on the fuse, take it out. 13 amp, if you can see it. It is, trust me. 1.5 cable, running extension lead, 13 amp is fine. Back in, screw the bugger back up, and there you go. All swapped, all changed, done. You've got a small cable, small piece of equipment, you're going to need to drop the fuse. Might as well talk about that for a second. You want to look at the wattage of the piece of equipment and divide that into 230. So 1500 divided into 230 for, let me find something. Yeah, you've got a hot air gun, 1500 watts, wired with a 1mm cable, which will take about 10-11 amp. 1500 divided into 230 volts is 6.52 amps. So that is what this is taking. 6.5 amp. 10 amp fuse, you'll be fine. Anyway, I'm rambling now. 13 amp plug top, how to change it.